to Python sessions. Okay, in the last sessions, just 2 sessions we completed. In the last videos, we covered very clearly what is Python, what is Python, who is the vendor or father of Python. Next, when the Python came into the picture, when compared with the other languages, what specialty for the Python. Next, where we can use Python, which software companies are using Python. Okay, like sir, if you consider which software companies are using Python. Next, what are various application areas for the Python. Next, what limitations for the Python. Like all these things we discussed very clearly in the last sessions, right? Okay, well, so now the next cinema what I have to talk is features of Python. The most valuable features of Python. The most valuable concepts are. So there are several people who are coming from Java or C or C++ and so on. Yes, the people who are coming and they are dancing in front of us. Array, when compared with Python, Java is good. Or when compared with Python, C is good or C++ is good. Can you please tell what is the specialty of your Python when compared with other languages? You should be in the position to tell the specialty for the specialty of the Python, sir. So what features are there for the Python? Almost around 10 or 11 we require to discuss so that you people will get much clearly, right? But anyway, anyway, some features already just I touched that. Okay, just like dynamically typed library support, like there are some simpleness, like there are some features already I just touched, but let me explain a bit in detail. Yes, here the first thing, okay, simple and easy to learn. Okay, simple and easy to learn, The second, it is the freeware and open source. It is the freeware and open source, open source. Okay, next, high level programming language. High level programming language. Okay, it is a high level programming language. Next, platform independent. Of course, independent. Platform independent. Next, portability. Okay, portable. Okay, we can use the word portable. Next, dynamically typed. Dynamically typed. Next, both procedure oriented and object oriented. Procedure oriented and object oriented. Both procedure oriented and object oriented. Next, interpreted. Next, extensible. Okay, next, extensible, embedded. Next, last one, extensive library. Okay, library, like so there are multiple features are there for the Python. Of course, all these features we have to discuss in detail. Sir, are you in the position to understand, right? Please confirm what are various features are there for the Python. Simple and easy to learn. Next is the freeware, open source, high level programming language, platform independent, portable, dynamically typed, both procedure oriented and object oriented, interpreted, extensible, embedded, extensive library. Okay, all these things are by default considered features of the Python. Remember this one, sir. Can you please explain the features of Python? Maybe a chance to ask. You should be in the position to explain these things, right? Okay, well, so now the first one itself is simple and easy to learn. Okay, simple and easy to learn. Okay, just do you know this word already you people can aware by this time, correct, right? So Python is a simple programming language or not? Yes, it is a nursery level programming language. Okay, like sir, do you know whenever we are reading Python program, we never going to feel that we are reading program. We are feeling that it is just a reading English statements. Correct, right? Yes. So, you know, just I shared several times Python code for you people, right? Okay. Just I showed multiple examples in the last sessions. I showed already multiple examples right here. Just have a look once, sir. Test.py. If I consider now, observe carefully. Suppose here if I can take L is equal to some apple. Okay, apple. Next time after that banana. Okay, apple, banana. Next apple, banana. Next carrot. Something like a carrot. Like I'm trying to take some. So now enter something, enter some value. Okay, just I have to keep. Yeah, please, can you please confirm, is there any problem with the voice? Audio and video both are clear? Please confirm, because one or two members are telling some issue in the audio. Clear, right? Yes. Okay, well, so now here just observe that here I'm trying to take okay, enter your favorite. Okay, sir, here just my option is equal to input. Can you please import, enter your favorite, or enter your option like I'm trying to take, sir. Enter your option. So if option in L, if option in fruits, okay, assume that here I'm trying to take fruits. If option, if enter, if sir here enter, this is enter your favorite fruit. Okay, here I'm trying to take sir fruit. Enter your favorite fruit. Okay, favorite fruit. Enter your favorite fruit. Okay, if a fruit in fruits, okay, or list of fruits, here just list of fruits. Here just observe that if fruit in list of fruits, okay, just I'm trying to say yes, your favorite fruit available. If your favorite fruit available, like I'm trying to take. Okay, else so print your favorite fruit not available. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir, your favorite fruit not available. Have you observed? This is a simple Python code. Okay, so it is just a list of fruits. Array, apple, banana, carrot, okay, mango, something like mango, like you can take any number of fruits, right? So now I'm asking, hey, enter your favorite fruit. Hello, enter your favorite fruit. Sir, if a fruit in list of fruits, your favorite fruit available, otherwise it is not available. Like, sir, can you please read this code? If I show this code to any person, I'm sure that person can understand what this code is doing. Yes, friend, can you please? Correct or not? Any person, sir, there are some people are there in our session who don't know anything about programming, Some innocent students are there in our session. Are you seeing, by seeing these 6 lines, what this program is doing? Are we in the position to understand, right? We don't know anything about Python, we don't know anything about programming, but still what it is doing, sir, list of fruits. I prepared a list. Next I'm asking, hey, enter your favorite fruit. Now I'm asking, is the favorite fruit. Now if a fruit in list of fruits, have you observed, is it like English statement or not? Yes, it is just like English statements. It's not something like a coding kind of thing. If a fruit in list of fruits, sir, print your favorite fruit available, otherwise else your favorite fruit not available. Something like, it is a simple English statement. You never going to feel that a big Python code, a big programming code, which are so it's a very difficult to understand. Such type of terminology not applicable for the Python. Sir, really, is this code is going to work or not? Yeah, why not? Let me cross check. Let me go to that location. Okay, here, sir, just yeah, let me go to that location. Here just observe that py test.py. Don't worry, sir, how to install Python, how you can execute, all these things I will explain in the next level, but here just I'm showing for basic idea sake. Yes, now enter your favorite fruit. Okay, now I'm trying to take mango. So mango, is it available or not? Can you please confirm? Mango, is it available or not? Yes, it's available. Now, what the output by default you are going to get? Your favorite fruit available. Like clearly it's going to tell. Yes, friends. Okay. Suppose if I'm trying to enter, if I'm trying to enter, sir, some other okay, orange. Okay, orange, like I'm taking, sir, orange, like I'm taking. Sir, your favorite fruit not available. Clear, right? So even so the code is a big code also, but readability is like this only. Okay, you never going to feel that, hey, I'm learning, I'm reading some big complex programming code. Such type of terminology not applicable. Please take it very special care about this terminology, right? So that's why, so Python is a simple programming language and easy to learn, easy to learn. Okay, like so we can feel like we are reading English statements. Such type of thing itself is a Python. Remember, right? Okay, the syntax is very simple, sir. Very simple syntax. Okay, syntax is just like English statements, right? The syntax is a very simple, and only 35 reserved words are there. Okay, 35 reserved words are there, or just 30 plus. You can use 30 plus. 35 reserved words are there. If you can understand these 35 reserved words, then you are the expert in the Python. Remember this one. If you understand 35 reserved words, automatically you are the expert in the Python. Believe me, sir. Okay, this is next. And after that, okay, when compared with the other programming languages, if you consider Java code, if you consider C code, the number of lines in Python is very less. That's why concise code. Correct, right? The number of lines is very less. Concise code. That's why readability is more. Readability is more in Python, and it is very simple and easy to read. Remember this one, sir. That's why. So once it is a very concise code, once we are not required to write big code, then obviously we can reduce development time. We can reduce development time, and we can reduce cost of the project also. Cost of the project development also. Remember, keep it very carefully, sir. Because we are not required to write big code. We require to write very small code, concise code. Obviously, readability is good. Readability is good. Next up, we can reduce development cost also. Clear, right? Any doubt? Yeah, Rakshit, it is the live session. Why you are getting this doubt? Clear for you people, right? Any doubt? So can I use the word? It is a simple and easy to learn or not? Yes, it is a very simple programming language and very easy to learn programming. What is the meaning of this one is very clear for you people, right? Okay. Now the next second one I'm trying to take. Sir, this is the first one. It is a very simple and easy to learn. Remember this one, sir. Okay, like now the second one what I'm trying to take is it is the freeware and open source. Freeware and open source. What is the meaning of freeware? Yes, friends. Can you please confirm? What is the meaning of freeware? Freeware. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of freeware? Sir, if you want to use a Python, you are not required to pay single paisa also. Even for okay, commercial purpose also. Okay, to use Python, we are not required to pay single paisa. Okay, remember this one. Single paisa also not required to pay. Not required to pay. Okay, why Python is very popular? Why Python is very popular? One reason for that, it is a freeware. Okay, remember that. But if you go for .NET, if you go for Java these days, why Java is going down? One reason, from Java 11 version onwards, Okay, Java 11 version onwards, it is a paid version. Remember this one. To use Java, compulsory license fee is there. But to use Python, we are not required to pay anything, sir. Okay. So who is the responsible to provide this one? PSF. Python Software Foundation. These people are responsible. These people are responsible to provide Python. 1 minute, sir. Here, let me open Python software, python.org. Okay, python.org. Okay, you think here are you seeing somewhere? Here are you seeing, right, sir? Here PSF. Okay, Python Software Foundation. Okay, like if you click, sir, here just observe about sponsorship, membership, donations. Have you observed donations, contribution forms? Like, okay, if there is any chance, if you require to pay, if you want, once you are getting the job on the Python, if really Python is going to provide food for you, compulsory better to donate at least some amount for these Python Software Foundations. So even in the future also, it is not going to be paid. Don't worry at all. That is also one reason, sir, why these days it's a very popular, sir. Okay, there is a huge, there are n number of corporate companies are there behind Python to provide support. Okay, that's why don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. So in the future also, it is not going to be paid version. Is there any chance to make Python is licensed? Once it is more famous like Java, Sridhar, why Java became licensed? Do you know the reason? Not because of popularity. Not because of popularity. The reason what happened is the vendor for Java was Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems. Their position was not good. Okay, it is not what we call something like third party organization, some voluntary organization contribution. A bit lesser. It is official software company, but they're offering it a free cost. What happened is some microsystems position was not good. That's why it is acquired by Oracle. Once Oracle got the Java, then Oracle people announced that it is the licensed version. Have you observed, right? So it is not Python Software Foundation is something like a trust, something like a trust kind of thing. It is not a software company. That's why don't worry, sir. Okay, it is after once it is the popular, automatically now it will become licensed. Okay, so Python was there even before Java only. Okay, Java is newer when compared with Python. Don't worry. Okay, don't keep any such type of doubt. But my sincere suggestion, my sincere request is, once you are getting the job, if really Python is going to provide food for you, better to provide some donation for this Python Software Foundation. Clear, right? Okay, donate. There is some process is there. Okay, there is some process is there for that. Better if you really have such a type of thing, better compulsory you highly recommended to donate. Have you observed, right? Here I told there's a big corporate company support is there for the Python behind. Have you observed? Here just have a look once. JetBrains, okay, PayPal, Anonymous, GitHub, Microsoft Corporation is also one donor for this. Okay, this Python, Facebook, Google, Slack, Indeed, Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce like IBM Q. Okay, Heroku like multiple people are there who are going to provide support for this. The big support is there. Don't expect in the future it is going to be in the future it is going to be what we call it is going to be licensed version. Okay, like sir, clear? It is a freeware. What is the meaning of freeware? Clear, right? Can I expect the Python is going to be raised like anything or not? Yes, this one reason itself is enough. Tomorrow there is a future is there for the Python. Everyone is going to talk about Python just as long as it is the freeware. One main reason why the Python is going to be very popular. This reason you can use. Next, second one, sir. What is open source? Anyone? Anyone, can you please confirm? What is the open source? Yes, friends. Any idea for this? Hey, respond. Don't be silent. What is open source? What is the meaning of open source? Okay, very simple, sir. Very simple. Yeah, source code is open. Array, how the Python is implemented, source code is open. Suppose print statement is there, how it is implemented, the source code is open. Anyone can see that source code. If it is not going to fulfill my requirement, assume that, sir, here Python Software Foundation people provided one version of Python. Assume that this is the Python source code, whatever provided by Python Software Foundation, right? So assume that I'm not happy with this implementation. So I will download this one. I will download this one. Okay, now what I will take here is I will modify this source code based on my requirement. Okay, modify this source code based on my requirement, based on my customized requirements. Have you observed, right? Now I can modify this original version of Python based on my requirement, and I will tell that this is D Python. Okay, DURGASOFT Python. Remember this one. It is the D Python, DURGASOFT Python. Now I can keep this Python version in my website. Array, all the students today onwards, better to download this one. It is more compatible for the learning, not original Python. Like you can tell. Getting the point? I hope. Are you getting the point, right? Okay, what is the meaning of open source? Open source means any person can see the source code, any person can modify the source code based on his requirement. Because of that, what is the biggest advantage we are going to get is so our work is going to be simplified. Okay, our requirements are going to be fulfilled with this modified code. Okay, suppose best example, sir. I want to purchase something. Okay, here I want to buy some item. Assume that, sir, I want to buy something. Okay, buy some item like that. So now here you should option one. You should use as it is, and you can't change its functionality. You can't change its functionality. Okay, like the first option, sir. Second one, you can modify based on your requirement. Based on your requirement. Among these two options, which option is going to provide much flexibility to the user? Array, respond. Either first one or second one. Either first one or second one. Who is going to provide much flexibility to the user? Obviously, second one. Now you can use the word. Okay, this is something like a .NET. Array, .NET functionality provided by Microsoft people. You can't customize. You can't customize whatever they are providing as it is. You require to use. You require to use. You can't customize that. Okay, suppose some feature you require, then you have to send a mail to Microsoft people, and you have to request them, please add this feature also in the newer version, because it is required for us. Like, you can request, but you can't modify. But this one is something like Python. Remember this one is something like a Python. In Python, based on our requirement, we can modify. There is no problem at all. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, friends. Okay, so what is the meaning of open source? Any person can customize. That's why n number of flavors are there for the Python. Okay, C Python, Jython, Iron Python, py, anaconda Python, okay, anaconda Python, like there are multiple flavors are there, okay, like sir, I want to use Python with Java language, then which version we require to use? Jython. Remember this one. I want to work with the .NET applications together. .NET applications together. Then we require to go for Iron Python. Observe carefully, right? .NET applications together. If you want to use Python, then which flavor we require to go for? Iron Python. So why these many flavors are possible? Just because of it is the open source. Sir, I want to handle. Sir, I want to handle. Do you know data science applications? Hadoop based large volumes of data I want to handle. Better to go for Anaconda Python. Getting? PyPy means PyPy only. Venkatramana. Venkatramana. PyPy means PyPy only. PyPy only. It is just to improve performance. Okay, flavors of Python. There I will explain about this. Don't worry at all. Okay, next, there is one small point better to highlight, better to tell these points. If you are facing any audio or video problem, video problem, okay, what you have to do? What you have to do? Please log out and log in again. Log out and log in again. This is statement not only today, even in the future also. Rajesh, someone unable to hear the voice. Okay, yeah. So that's all. This is second feature what we have. Okay, now the first ones are, it is a very simple and easy to learn. The second ones are, it is a freeware and open source. Remember, right? Next, third one, sir, high level programming language. High level programming language. Okay, like high level programming language. So most of the people, what is the meaning of high level? Anyone can you please confirm? What is the meaning of high level programming language? Not low level. Not low level. What is the meaning of high level programming language? Yes. Okay. Take very special care. User understandable form. User understandable and user friendly. I can use the word user friendly, readability wise, usage wise, user friendly. Such type of thing is called high level programming language. Okay, best example for you. What is the meaning of high level? Just have a look once, sir. Suppose I want to take this session. Assume that I want to take this session. Okay, like that. To take this session, my laptop should be started. Okay, my laptop should be connected. Okay. Next, so this webinar has to start. Webinar has to start. Webinar has to start. Observe that very carefully, sir. So they have to check. They require to check audio and video both are good or not. Audio and video both are good or not. Okay, like both are good or not. Next, YouTube live should be started. Array, to start to take one session, if I want to take a class, these many activities must be required or not? Can you please confirm? Yes, from my side. Okay, compulsory, right? These many activities I require to do that. Okay, like that. Now, so being just a trainer, my job is, observe very carefully, sir. This word is very important. Being trainer, my job is to deliver class. That's all. Just I have to teach. That's all. Array, laptop should be connected. Webinar has to start. Audio and video both are good or not? Okay. While class going on, if there is any problem, I will take care. But before that, primary level, first level checking should be done. Next, YouTube live should be started. Do you know all these activities? My admin is responsible. Have you observed, right? So being trainer, my concentration is always only on, okay, my concentration is always only on deliver the class. Array, come to the class already started. Just I have to use the word Friends, good morning or good evening. Can I start the cinema? Like I will start. Okay. I never going to worry about laptop is connected, webinar has started or not, next audio or video both are clear or not, YouTube live already started or not. All these things, my admin person is going to take care. Okay. Now take very big a special care about this one. Now trainer is responsible for high level activities. Have you observed? Trainer is responsible for high level activities. Next, admin is responsible for low level activities. Of course, these things also required only, but these are internal things, no way related to the student. Low level activities. So, admin person is the responsible. Are you in the position to understand this word? Please observe carefully, right? Are you getting my point clearly, right? Okay. Now here just observe being a programmer. Okay, we are not required to concentrate on low level activities. Okay, all low level activities automatically takes care by Python virtual machine. Okay, being a programmer, we are not responsible, okay, on low level activities, like okay, memory management, security. Next, there are several internal activities, right? All these internal activities, we are responsible. We are not responsible for these low level activities. These are things will takes care by Python virtual machine itself. Okay, remember carefully, right? Who is the responsible? Python virtual machine itself is the responsible for these activities. So, being a programmer, our concentration on only logic. Okay, being a programmer, we are responsible only on logic. Array, this is my requirement. Which code I have to write? That's all. Sir, now observe. I wrote this code. Sir, you created a list. Where this list object got created, in which memory address it got created. Next, once this program completed, destruction of this object, we are not responsible for all these things. My Python virtual machine is going to take care. Some assistant is always there to do low level activities. Such type of programming language is by default considered a high level programming language. I hope everyone in the position to understand this. Yes, friends, everyone in the position to understand my point. Okay, being a programmer, our concentration is always on logic, on code. Sir, write the code to meet our requirement. Where this object will be created, Next, after completing our requirement, automatically can you please destroy this object? All these nonsense is going to take care by our assistant, which is nothing but PVM. Python virtual machine is going to take care about that. We are not responsible. How beautiful. Have you observed? So that's why it is considered as high level programming language. Most of the people are going to feel, sir, it is in English. If the programmer can read, then it is considered the high level programming language. No, it is not that meaning of high level. High level means only top level activities we are responsible. Low level activities will take care automatically by some assistants. So, C language, C++, Java, Python, .NET, all these languages are high-level programming languages. Any doubt? Any explanation is required about this? Up to this, is the clear for you people, right? We respond. Don't be silent. Yes, no, some explanation is required. Like you have to respond. Okay, clear, right? Sir, up to this total, how many features we covered? Can you please confirm? 3 features. What is the first one? Simple and easy to learn. Second one, freeware and open source. Third one, high level programming language. Okay, excellent. Now the fourth one, very, very important, sir. Okay, platform independent. Platform independent. Remember very carefully about this one, sir. So can you please explain what is platform independent nature of Python? Either Python is the platform independent or not. Okay, like just what is the meaning of this one? Very important, sir. Please observe carefully. Suppose here I want to write a C program. Listen very carefully, sir. I wrote one C program. Okay, I want to run this mission. I want to run this C program on Windows machine. Okay, C program for Windows. I wrote, sir. C program for Windows. I wrote. So now I have Windows platform is already there. Okay, this is Windows platform is there. Okay, happily this program is running on Windows platform. Happily this program is running on Windows platform. Okay, Azure. So tomorrow, okay, my requirement is I want to run this program in the Linux platform. I want to run this one in the Linux platform. Okay, in the Linux platform, I have to run this one. Sir. Next day after tomorrow, I want to run this one on the Mac. On the Mac. Okay, here I have to run on the Mac. Okay, like Mac platform. Can you please confirm, is this C program can run on the Linux platform or not? Respond, yes or no. I wrote a C program for Windows purpose. Now this C program, is it going to run on Linux or not? Is this C program is going to run on Mac or not? Yeah. Yes or no? Okay. Take very special care. The program which is developed for Windows, the C program which is developed for Windows, it can't run on Linux platform. It can't run on Mac platform. Remember, right? Okay. So compulsory for the Linux, we have to write a separate program. For the Mac, we require to write a separate program. Remember this one, sir. So C program, okay, for Linux. C program for, okay, C program for Mac. Compulsory we require to write for every platform separate program. Okay, remember this one, sir, because the program what we wrote on the Windows, so it is not going to run on other platform. Okay, remember. Now, can you please tell how many platforms are there? Respond. How many platforms are there on the screen? 3 platforms. One is Windows, Linux, Mac. How many programs I require to write? How many programs I require to write? 3 programs. 3 programs I require to write. For every platform, separate program we require to write. That's why C language is called platform dependent language. Okay, platform dependent language. Okay, what is the meaning of platform dependent language? Is clear for you people? Any explanation is required? Please confirm. Now, can you please tell C is the platform dependent or platform independent? Platform dependent. Okay, like that. Now, if you consider Python programs are. Now observe a bit very carefully about this one. I wrote one Python program. Okay, this is the Python program I wrote, sir. Okay, now observe very carefully. Sir, here 3 platforms I want to use. So Windows platform, Linux platform, and then Mac platform I'm going to use. Okay, assume it is the Windows platform. It is a Windows platform. Next, this one is Linux platform. Okay, this one itself is the Linux. Next, and after that Mac. Next, Mac. Okay, now take very special care about this terminology, right? Okay, so this is this Python program can run on Windows or not? Respond. Can run on the Windows or not? Yes, yes, it can run. It can run. Is it going to run on Linux or not? Yeah, why not? Why not? It's going to run. And is it going to run on Mac or not? Why not? It's going to run. No problem, right? Sir, here something must be required. We have to convert this Python into Windows specific form if you are executing on the Windows machine. We have to convert this Python program into Linux specific form whenever we are executing on the Linux machine. We require to convert this Python program so into Mac understandable form if you are executing on the Mac. Array, who is going to take care this conversion? Some special software must be required. Okay, what that special software is? Here, if you want to run this Python program on the Windows machine, okay, here PVM, Python virtual machine for Windows must be required. Python virtual machine for Windows must be required. Now, what will happen is this PVM will convert this Python program into Windows specific form. Now on the Windows, happily it is going to run. Observe very carefully, sir. Someone is required to convert into Windows specific form. The same terminology. Sir, tomorrow I want to execute this program on the Linux machine. Now, so compulsory here some special software must be required. Who is that special software, sir? PVM. Okay, for Linux. PVM for Linux. Here also, if you want to run on Mac, some translator must be required. Who is that person, sir? PVM for Mac. Okay. Now, PVM for the Mac is required. Now, these people are responsible to convert. These people are responsible to convert into corresponding platform specific form. Remember it very carefully, right? Okay. Same terminology here also applicable. Now I have one small doubt, sir. How many Python programs are there? Can you please confirm? I respond. How many Python programs are there? Can you please confirm? Yeah. Abhishek, I will share the links at the end. Don't worry. How many Python programs are there? Only one. Only one. But how many platforms are available? How many platforms are available? 3 platforms. Write the Python program once. Write this Python program once. Run anywhere. Run anywhere. For every platform, separate Python program is not required. That is the beauty of Python. Remember this one, sir. Write once we write a Python program. Once we write a Python program, we can run on any platform. We can run on any platform without rewriting the code again, without any modification, without any modification. Okay, that's what this type of thing is called. Write once, run anywhere. What is that? Write once, run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere. This type of feature is by default considered as platform independent nature. Regarding in the case of Python, what will happen? In the case of C language, what will happen? In the case of C language, for every platform, a separate program we require to write. But in the case of Python, one program, it can run on any platform. There is no problem at all. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, friends. Now I have one small doubt. One small doubt. Python program. Okay, listen very carefully, sir. You require to choose valid statement. Okay, first statement, first option. Python program is a platform independent. Python program is platform independent. Python software. Okay, Python software means PVM. Whenever you install Python software, PVM is going to come. That's why to make PVM available, we have to install Python. Python software is a platform dependent. Correct? Yeah. Can you please confirm? Python program is platform independent. Python program is platform independent. One program, multiple platforms. Yeah, correct. But for every platform, separate PVM is required. Okay, for every platform, separate PVM is required. So PVM for Windows, PVM for Linux, and a PVM for Mac, separate PVM is required for every platform. That is what you have to aware. So PVM is the platform specific. This PVM is the responsible to convert our platform independent Python code into the corresponding platform specific. That's what you have to aware. Okay, remember, that's why, do you know, whenever you are installing Python in the python.org, okay, like just observe carefully. If you consider the python.org, I want to install, sir. Okay, I want to install. Now it is asking download Python, download Python for Windows. Okay, like now I don't want for Windows, right? I want to Mac OS. Okay, other platforms I want for other platforms, like so whenever you are installing Python, means you are installing Python virtual machine, please make sure you have to choose the corresponding platform specific Python software. Clear, right? So what is the meaning of platform independent nature? What is the meaning of platform independent nature? Write once, respond. Write once, run anywhere is the concept of platform independent nature. Who is the responsible to convert into platform specific form? Who is the responsible to convert our code into platform specific form? Okay, internally PVM is responsible. Internally, PVM is responsible to convert into mission understandable form. Okay, into mission understandable form means a platform understandable form. This is a beautiful concept, very important concept for the interview room. Please take very special care about this terminology, right? Array, can you please explain C and Python with respect to, is it platform dependent or platform independent? So why, how the Python is the platform independent? Can you please explain? Like everyone should be in the position to explain. Are you getting right? Can I go for next point? Yes, friends. Can I go for next point? Okay, very important terminology. Okay, like yeah. Now, what is the next thing? What is the next? This is the fourth one, platform independent. Now the fifth one, sir, portability. Don't get confused. Portability. Python is portable. Python is portable. Portability. Okay, a bit important. Why it is the portable? Because it is the platform independent. Remember this one. So most of the people are getting confusions, or both the things are same. Yes, strictly speaking, same. Internally, why it is the portable? Why it is the portable? Because it is the platform independent. What is the meaning of portability? Let me explain, sir. Sir, have you ever heard about this feature, portability? This word, have you ever heard in our day-to-day life? Normal. Yes, friends. Yes, have you ever heard about this one? Yes, yeah, SIM, mobile number portability. Mobile number portability. Correct, right? Mobile number portability. Okay, like so now I have one small doubt. What is the meaning of mobile number portability? Okay, very simple. Array, today I'm using Airtel or otherwise Idea. I'm using, sir. No, now Idea is no more, right? Idea is no more. Idea SIM. I'm using, sir. Assume that Idea SIM I'm using. Sir, now Idea in India, Idea is not good. Service wise, signal wise, I'm not feeling that much comfortable. That much comfortable. Then what I want to do is I want to change my mobile number from Idea to Geo or otherwise Airtel. I want to change it from Idea to Airtel. If I change from Idea to Airtel, am I required to change my mobile number? Am I required to change my mobile number? Mobile number? No, we are not required. But in the olden days, if you are not having mobile number portability, then compulsory a new number we require to take. But here, same number, we can change service provider. Yes, we can change service provider by maintaining same number. Okay, like mobile number portability without changing our number, we can change service provider. We can change service provider. Okay, like something like from idea to Airtel, etc. Regarding, is it possible or not? This feature is nothing but mobile number portability. I hope you people are in the position to understand. At least one time you did mobile number portability in your life. Correct, right? Yeah. Now, how the Python is the portable? how the Python itself is the portable? Very simple, sir. Very simple. Assume that. Sir, I wrote one beautiful Python program. Assume that it is a Python program, sir. I wrote this Python program. Okay. So, and it is happily executing or running on Windows machine. Assume that it is a Windows machine. Happily it is running on Windows machine. Okay, assume. Now, I thought that, okay, why you change it from idea to Airtel? Respond. Why you change it from idea to Airtel? In number of reasons. Maybe signal is not good. Maybe so packages are not good. Our internet, not internet facility is not there. In my area, signal is not good. Some reason. Okay, like same way. Now, happily, this Python program running on Windows machine, and it's fulfilling my requirement. Suddenly, Microsoft people send a notice saying, you are using our Windows software for commercial sake. Okay, we are going to write you. Can you please make a date available with your network admin so that we will come and we will write Microsoft people send a notice. Okay, because I'm using Windows machine, assume. Then immediately, Microsoft compulsory required to use license. Okay, for commercial or for personal also license must be required. Without using license, it's not good. Okay, like what I did is immediately. Okay, I want to install. I want to install Ubuntu software. Okay, Ubuntu is the Linux flavor, sir. Unix flavor. Okay, Ubuntu means Linux flavor, right? One flavor of Linux is the Ubuntu. Now Ubuntu is the free. We are not required to pay anything, sir. Now, is this Python program? Is it going to run on? Is it going to run on this Ubuntu without performing any change or not? Yes. Can you please confirm? Is it possible or not? Why not? Without performing any change in our program, we can migrate our Python program from one platform to another platform. Observe that without performing, without changing anything, we can without changing anything, we can migrate our Python program from one platform to another platform, another platform. Remember this one. So, is this migration, is it possible or not? Can you please confirm? Is this migration, is it possible or not? Yes, possible. No problem at all. No issue at all. This migrating capability is by default considered portability. Clear, right? Migrating capability is by default considered portability. Without performing any change, so we can migrate our Python program from one platform to another platform. This nature is by default considered portable. Of course. So why is the portability? Why the portability? So platform independent nature is the reason. Platform independent nature is the reason for portability. Correct, right? If the platform independent nature is not there, portability is not there. Remember this one. So migrating capability from one platform to another platform, is it allowed or not? This type of nature is called portable. Clear, right? Okay. Next, write once, run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere. This type of capability is called platform independent nature. Okay. Python is platform independent. Python is portable. Don't get confused. Clear, right? Everyone in the position to understand. Okay. Well, sir, PVM is the platform independent. How we can change one platform compile code to other platform? Sir, here can you please read? Can you please read this one? Without changing anything, we can migrate our Python program. Remember this. Palle Venkat Reddy. Venkat Reddy. Without we are migrating our Python program, not the compiled code. Okay, not the compiled code. Next, for the new platform, new code should be generated by corresponding PVM. Ready? Getting right? Yeah, new platform. PVM of new platform is going to take care. Again, conversion into corresponding code. Yeah, any doubt? It is a very important, sir. Can you please explain platform independent nature of Python? Can you please explain portability of Python? You should be in the position to answer clearly. Not required to keep any explanation about this. Correct, Venkat Reddy? Correct. Source code. Only source code migration I'm talking. Not internal target mission generated code. Okay. Moreover, for the Python, compiled code, nothing. Okay. Because it is interpreted. Okay. Like Java, bytecode is there. But here, there is no such type of thing. Can I go for the next one? Up to this is the clear for you people. Everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of yes until these 5 features. Simple and easy to learn. Freeware and open source. High level programming language. Platform independent, portable. Next, this one we discussed already. Okay, not required to keep much explanation, right? Okay, this part we covered already, dynamically typed. Okay, dynamically typed. Sir, what is the meaning of dynamically typed? Anyone, can you please confirm? Respond. What is the meaning of dynamically typed? Okay, we are not required to declare the type explicitly. We are not required to declare the type explicitly. Remember this one, sir. We are not required to declare the type explicitly. Okay, like so now based on provided value, the type will be considered automatically. The type will be considered automatically. This type of nature is by default considered as dynamically typed programming language. Remember very carefully about this one, sir. So now here just observe that if I can take x is equal to 10. Can you please tell type is available or not? Array types concept is available or not? Yes, available. Types concept is available. But we are not required to declare that type. Okay, but in Java, if you consider Java programming language, sir, I'm taking x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. So Java compiler will give left and right. Hey, x is equal to 10. So which type you didn't specify, but in Python we are not required to declare. Okay, based on your provided value, the type will be considered automatically. This type of concept is by default considered as dynamically typed. Where is the proof for that? Where is the proof for that? Print type of x. Print the type of x. If I consider this one, what is the answer by default we are going to get? Yes, the type of x is the int. Clear, right? What is the meaning? What is the type of x? Itself is the int. So in Python, we are not required to declare the type explicitly. The type will be considered automatically. This type of nature is called dynamically typed. But in C language, in C or C++ or Java, like is it compulsory we have to declare the type or not? We should declare the type explicitly. We should require to declare the type explicitly, and hence these things are by default considered statically typed programming languages. What is the meaning of statically typed programming language? I hope it is clear for you people. Any doubt? Okay, so this is, sir, is it really flexible or not? Huh? Can you please confirm? Is it really flexible or not? Our job is reduced. Okay, we are not required to declare something like index is equal to 10. Have you observed? We are not required to declare index is equal to 10. Simple x is equal to 10. Next, there is another advantage is also there. X is equal to 10. Okay, just keep on using. Now, x is equal to true I'm taking. Can you please tell is it valid or not? Hey, in the last video, I told, is it valid or not? Is it valid or not? Okay, itself is the value. Now onwards, the same variable, now onwards acts as boolean. Now onwards acts as boolean. X is equal to 10.5. Now onwards, it acts as a float. It is float type. Yes, perfect. Itself is possible. But in Java, can I do like this? Can I do like this? Int x is equal to 10. In the next line, I want to take x is equal to 10.5. Is it possible? No. So Java will give left and right in left and right. Comparative method by default we are going to get in this case. So we are not having much flexibility, but here we have flexibility is there. That is one thing what you people should aware. Okay, but make sure one small point I have to highlight for you people, right? So dynamically type. We are not required to declare the type. So, I want to declare the type explicitly. Hey, listen carefully. I want to declare the type. I want to declare the type explicitly. So that is my programming requirement. Is it possible or not? What the answer? Is it possible or not? What the answer? I want to declare the type explicitly. Is it possible or not? Yes. Okay. Simple answer for this is yes. Yes, of course, type is not required, but still, if you want to do that, there is a way is there. That way you can take x is int time is equal to 10 something like. Just observe that. This is something like you can do that. You can do this is some syntax is there. Explicitly, if you want, you can declare the type. May not exact syntax. Yes. Have you observed, right? I'm not seeing any error. I'm not seeing any error at all. Print x. Okay. Print x 10. We are getting. Now x is equal to 10.5. Now x is equal to 10.5. Python also is going to give left and right. Have you observed? Python also will give left and right. Hey, you declare this one as the int type. You declare this one as the int type. Then how you can assign? So here 1 minute. Maybe is it the same, right? Okay, maybe now onwards print the type of X. Now observe that. Now reassignment anyway is supporting. Reassignment anyway is supporting. If you want, you can declare the type explicit claim. That thing is possible. But where it is going to be helpful, that part I will take care. Don't worry, right? There is some usage there. Okay, types in Python, separate concept I will cover. It is the new feature came in Python. Remember that, sir. So by default, we are not required to declare the type explicitly, but still, if you want, we can declare the type, no problem at all. Yeah, right. Okay, that's all. So in the next session, we will continue for the remaining. Okay, take a bit special care. Next, if any person missed the last sessions, okay, any person missed the last sessions, today is the first class. Like you can, okay, view the two sessions, okay, from these two, and download running notes from the following link. Okay, the people who missed the last sessions, can you please download from this? Okay, next, yes, so this is the contact information. The people who want to register happily, okay, you can contact these people. Next, if you are having any doubts, if you want to contact with me, just make a call. So these people will arrange a call based on my availability. Padma. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just try once, or otherwise just share your. Yeah. Drop a mail with this to this mail ID with your contact number so that I will. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right, sir. Thanks for everyone. Okay. In the next session, we will meet for the continuation part. Yeah. Tomorrow class is there. Okay. Tomorrow class is there. Notes tomorrow I will share. Yeah. Right, sir. Thanks for everyone. Tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation part.